What's up, everybody? It's Zach from EC here with another awesome RealView. Now today we're going to be taking a look at the 64R by RBP. Now that is going to be the Widow. Pretty awesome wheel. It's a concave wheel, so there's going to be a lot of diverse measurements we can look at. Now there's only 3 wheel sizes though, and those are going to be the 18 by 9, the 20 by 10, and the 20 by 12. And there are 4 finishes with that, so this is the first for us. More finishes than there are wheel sizes. Now the finishes in this wheel are going to be the chrome, which you see here, the full gloss black, the gloss black with a machined face, and the gloss black with CNC grooved accents. We're going to take a look at the design features of this wheel and a lot more, so let's get started. So to kick off this video today, guys, we're going to take a look at the design features of this wheel. Now it is a 6-spoke wheel. It looks like it's a 12-spoke, but that's just because they did mill out a window here in every spoke. One of the coolest features though that I love about this wheel is going to be that the name of the wheel, the Widow, is actually placed in here in what looks to be like lacquer with a really nice like ruby red accents on the lettering, which I think is just one of the coolest little features I've ever seen on a wheel like this before. It's just a nice attention to detail. Now what you'll also notice is this is a concave wheel, so if you look here, all the spokes are kind of being sucked in towards the hub instead of pushing out or being flat. And one measurement we'll take a look at as we look at each wheel is going to be how much concave each size actually has. So to measure these wheels, I'm actually going to go ahead and measure from the edge of the wheel to the top or the front of the face of the center cap here. So for this wheel, it does stick out a little bit, so I'm going to just give us a rough measurement from the side of the wheel, and it's just about an inch protruding from the hub here. So next up, guys, we've got the 20 by 10, and this is going to be in the gloss black with machined face finish. And I gotta say, this is probably the best looking one out of all of them in my personal opinion. And the one reason why I really like it is just the fact that this contrasts each other so well between the silverish chrome and the black, but also the fact that this Widow with the red really jumps out at you when it's sit there inlaid with this here chrome. It just, all the colors kind of work together. But enough about that, we're gonna go right to that measurement, and I'm gonna measure it the same way again. And I'm getting just about 3/4 of an inch for this one. So next up, guys, we've got the 20 by 12, which is going to be the last size we look at and the second to last finish we look at. This one is going to be the gloss black with the CNC milled accents. And I gotta say, with the 12 wide, we're going really deep for the concave now. So I'm going to go ahead and measure it from the hub to the edge of the wheel instead of the face of the cap to the edge of the wheel. And I'm getting about 4¼ inches. And again, that's from the face of the hub to the edge of the wheel. Last but not least, guys, we got another 20 by 12, and now this one's going to be in the all gloss black finish. Now we already have the measurement from the last 20 by 12, which was 4¼ inches, so we really don't need to do any measuring with this one. Just note that there is a beadlock look on this color. The other ones had it too, but it just kind of stands out a little bit more when the rest of the wheel is black. So to wrap up this video today, guys, we took a look at the RBP 64R, otherwise known as the Widow. Now that wheel is offered in 3 different sizes, those being the 18 by 9, the 20 by 10, and the 20 by 12, and of course 4 finishes, those being the chrome, the gloss black with CNC grooves, and the gloss black with a machined face. We took a look at the depth of the wheel being a concave looking wheel, and some of the design features of the wheel. Now remember, with rolling big power, we can actually shave the back pad, drill custom bolt patterns, and bore out the hub to give you any sort of personalized fitment you may need for your vehicle. This has been a RealView brought to you by EC, and we'll see you at the next one.